What's up? What's up? What's up? It's your girl Corby. No, I'm just playing, y'all. I'm just playing. What's going on with y'all? It's your girl Corby, and I am here to talk to you guys about the questions that I've been getting answered. That was a bird brain moment, but remember, I'm pregnant and I am going to be going through a lot of those moments, okay? So it's okay. Anywho, as I'm sitting here going through this, I'm gonna open up my package because I had to get my bag, my baby bag that I'm gonna be taking to the hospital. So I got his first little outfit. It's gonna be really, really cute on him. I never had a hospital bag because I never needed one. Everything was spontaneous, so I never really needed a bag. But anyway, what we're talking about is, and it's gonna be not a long video, but it is going to be y'all asked me questions about porting Section 8, which I gave you guys the answers already in the first video, but I just said, why not give it again? This is cute though. It's a little bag from Amazon, and it comes with this and a little makeup pouch, or whatever you want to call it, a pouch to put your deodorant and stuff in. That's what comes with it. And then this. So this is what I'm gonna put me and the baby stuff in. And I just thought it was a little cute. I thought it was cute for like 30 bucks. It was 30 bucks. And it was gifted to me. So thank you to the gift from my friend Tay. She's really, really sweet. And I need it, so I grabbed it. And it's really a lot of room in here. It's a lot of room in here, y'all. Anyway, that's another video. But anyway, so porting. I have a video on porting already, okay? The thing is with porting, you have to do your due diligence. What that means is you got to do your own footwork. That's what you got to do. You got to do your own footwork and make sure you do it, okay? What that means is, do they have to be open? Do Section 8 have to be opened for you to port? Do that other place that you want to port to have to be open? Yes, it has to be open. It must be open, okay? Now, you can find some areas where they accept billing only. Billing only is you coming from Washington State and you come to Fort Bend, Texas. Fort Bend, Texas is a billing state. That means they're going to get their money from Washington. Washington is still going to have to pay you, but they will accept you in. But if the Section 8 is completely closed and if it's not billing, then no. Now, if you're suffering from domestic violence, the VOWA program, if you're going through the VOWA program, then yes, it will be open for you because people with emergencies get first priority. And that's really the answer. So the question was, okay, this is the question. The question is, can I port my Section 8 to a different county, a different state or a county? Does the Section 8 list that I'm porting to have to be open? The answer is yes. It has to be open unless it's a billing county, unless it's billing, meaning I will accept you, but I'm not going to pay your rent. Where you coming from, that is who is going to pay your rent. But I will accept you. And yes, you will have to go through the same process over as if you just applied for Section 8. What that means is you have to fill out an application when you're being ported over. You have to give them everything, your social, your birth certificate, everything. You got to fill it out the exact same way you're porting. And well, I already have Section 8. Well, they don't, that other place that you're trying to port to, they don't have your information. So 9 times out of 10, your worker did not send them the information. They just sent over the port stuff. That was it. So you still have to do your work. A lot of you guys are not doing your own work. You just thinking, oh, I can get ported in and that is just it. No, you have to make sure that the place that you're coming from is porting you over. Other than that, you done told your landlord, oh, I'm gonna be out of here in 30 days. And in 30 days, you ain't even got a voucher. You can't do that. Y'all got to be on these people. You got to do your own footwork. Like, you must take care of your business. That's just how that go. Now, unless it's VAWA, then yes, they will be open. And it could still be a billing state, right? It doesn't matter if it's a billing state or not. It could still be a billing state at the end of a billing city or state or county, whatnot. But at the same time, you still, you're going to go faster. VAWA program, women with domestic violence that have Section 8, they go faster. They get first priority. Some places tell you that they don't do first priority, but I'm going to tell you something. It's in the federal guidelines that they have to do first priority. They have to, because that's an emergency. Because what if something happened to you and you've already let them know that I'm trying to move? Now it becomes a they fault because you already let them know what was going on, and you had to break your lease. When you break your lease, you are allowed to break your lease under domestic violence, and that cannot be held against you on your credit whatsoever. Don't listen to anybody that tell you otherwise, because they're lying and it is false. Yeah, it's false. So with that being said, I hope I answered you all's question. Again, yes, the Section 8 lists have to be open in order to port. Some places will allow you to port as long as it's billing. Billing is, that means the state or the city that, or the county that you're coming from to port into, that whoever you're porting into, they're not paying your rent. It's where you're coming from. That's who's going to pay your rent. That's exactly what that means, okay? And unless it's domestic violence, you will not get first priority. Remember to have you some money when you're porting out from another county or a state. If you're coming to another state, you will have to get your own Airbnb, your own hotel, unless they have resources in that state. And in most cases, they have resources in the state where, you know, like Catholic charities or something like that, that'll pay for your hotel stay only for like 2 weeks. You would just need to have some money. And that's just it. You gotta have some money, or be prepared to go to a shelter. How do I know? Because I did it. So yes, be prepared to go to a shelter. Have all of your ducks in a row. Have everything in order before you port out. Do not leave the state that you're in or the county that you're in. Do not go to another county unless you have voucher in hand. It would not be wise to do so. Why do I say that? Because you don't have to pay for a hotel voucher. I mean, you don't have to pay for a hotel. Sorry. So it would not be wise to just up and leave the state or city that you are going to without the voucher in hand. Make sure you have your voucher in hand. The voucher in hand, meaning the voucher from the place that you're coming from. Make sure it's in hand. And as a matter of fact, even if it is in hand, I would not leave until I start talking to the people that I want to go to. The place that I want to be at, I would not leave until I talk to them. And I'm speaking from experience because I've done it. I left because, well, Maz was an emergency, but I left and I was literally homeless from August into November. And no, they do not help you with hotel fees. That's not their job. They're not going to do it. They don't help you with anything at all. Do not listen to people that tell you that they will, because they will not. Okay? So don't listen to anybody. Listen to a person that has experience, not a person that read consumer law, not a person that don't know. Listen to people with experience. They do not help you pay for a hotel. It is not their job. They are not obligated. Their job is to pay for rent. And unless you are inside of a house, they're not going to pay for it. No, they do not pay security deposit. I say this all the time. You will not get your, they do not pay security deposit at all. They only pay rent. I need you all to understand this. So please stop asking me, okay? So I'm going to continuously finish doing what I'm doing because I have to get ready and pack up this baby bag. And he's come quite a little earlier than what I expected. And if you all want to kindly, you know, donate or anything, then I will have the link to the registry below. And I love you all. Thank you all. And I hope you all really listen to this because I'm really serious. I was speaking slow like that so you all can really like understand what I'm saying. So please understand. Please understand. But anybody can port. Just make sure you got your ducks in the row. That's all. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, comment below. Please subscribe to my channel. And I will see y'all in a minute.